Today we got a special delivery.
A top-notch delivery.
So today we got a delivery from Top Notch Mixers and we're going to be unboxing it for you today.
They bottle up specialty cocktails and all you have to do is add your liquor. So we are super excited to try these mixers because one of our good friends and colleagues, Juan Tapia, a bomb-ass mixologist, created all of this.
Yeah, honestly, Juan Tapia should have his picture under mixologist in the dictionary.
Yeah.
Because he's that good. Unbagging.
This is really heavy, by the way, so there must be a lot of stuff in here.
Okay, so let's get in here.
Let's go in here, I'm excited.
So we have mixers. So he bubble wraps everything.
Wow. So detailed.
Yes. And then we have some garnishes. Ooh, we love ourselves some nice garnishes.
So these bottles are super cute. I mean, on the bottle is the name of the cocktail. This one's Funky Fresh. The ingredients of the cocktail, and then it tells you the recommended spirits. And at the bottom, the suggested measurements for each cocktail.
All right, so which are we starting off with?
We miss Miami, so we're gonna start out with Miami Nights. We miss our Miami Nights.
We do.
And it also looks bomb. Coconut water, passionate puree, lime juice, ginger syrup. What should we do it with?
Okay, so recommended spirits, vodka, gin, rum, tequila, whiskey. I'm feeling like this is like rum.
I was thinking that.
So this cocktail comes with dehydrated lime wheels, and we're just gonna place that right on top. I think that's really cute like that. Bam, baby.
That looks so good. Look at the head on that cocktail, you guys.
Orange.
Woo! Cheers. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
That's an island cocktail right there.
That's so good, you guys. The passion fruit, there's like not too much passion fruit.
Because sometimes passion fruit can be really tart and sour and overpowering, and it's not at all. It's like perfect.
It's beautiful. Oh my God. Juan. This is a Juan in a million type of cocktail.
I need one more after this. We got all the Juan puns, you know? So next up, we're getting funky, y'all. Funky fresh.
So this mix has watermelon juice, pineapple juice, mint, vanilla bean syrup, and lemon juice.
It's a mint vanilla bean syrup.
OMG, I am so excited.
Wow.
Gorgeous. So the garnish for the Funky Fresh is a pineapple leaf and a cute little dehydrated pineapple with some salt, it looks like.
I just can't get over how frothy the head is on all these cocktails. Like, that's amazing.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, that mint is popping through. This is good. Refreshing.
I love a good watermelon cocktail.
It's like a sweet, minty.
I love mints. And the watermelon. The watermelon comes through. Like, obviously, you can tell by the color there's a lot of watermelon in here. Okay, on to the next
Juan.
That'll never get old.
Okay, so next up, we're going to be doing the chili chili bang bang. So the ingredients in this one, cayenne pepper, lime juice, serrano chili cilantro syrup. Hell yeah, baby.
We are excited for that.
Orange juice, ginger juice, and cucumber juice.
I'm about all of it.
So this is something that I would really just drink on the rocks, straight up by itself, no alcohol, because it's good for you.
Yeah.
So it was recommended that we pair this cocktail with a chili salt. So we're gonna go with Sunrise Spice. This is our favorite chili lime salt. And then we are also going to pair it with tequila because like salt and tequila, they just go together. Perfect marriage, you know? So we're going with Hiatus Tequila today.
It's fantastic.
It's fantastic.
Let's taste this one.
Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it fall out.
Let's go. Ooh, that's a little spicy.
Oh, that one bites back. Okay, I like it though. It's got a really good spice to it.
That's delicious. If you like a spicy cocktail, this one is for you. It's so good.
So fresh.
Wow.
And this salt is really pairing really well with it.
And it's like adorable. I love that they come with garnishes.
What cocktail mix do you get at the store that comes with garnishes? None.
No.
I really love dehydrated oranges. I eat them at work sometimes, like cookies. It's like a cookie. It's so good.
Wow.
Okay, so we have one more. This one we've been really looking forward to. All right, Crouching Mango, let's go. What's in it, girl?
It is mango puree, yuzu citrus, orange juice, ginger puree, basil, and caramel. I'm like, I'm gonna,
Basil and caramel.
okay. Sounds very interesting. I'm intrigued.
And then our dehydrated garnish right on top. Boom, baby. Look at that, so cute.
Oh my God, I'm so excited for this, you guys.
Cheers, baby. Oh yeah,
That's what I'm talking about.
mango
baby.
vibes. Mango AF.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's like straight liquid mango. And sometimes mango cocktails can be like way too sweet, but this is like fresh mango. It doesn't taste like sugary, syrupy mango. I just love that fresh mango taste, and that's exactly what you get with this.
It's stunning. I love this one. But I have to say that my favorite one was the first one we tried.
Miami Nights.
The Miami Nights is
Miami Nights is
freaking
really good.
And I think it'll also pair really well with tequila, but
I think it would pair really well with whiskey too. That one would go well with, I think, just about anything. I want to pick my favorite. Chili Chili Bang Bang, that's my jam. So these come in 18 ounces or 33.75 ounce bottles. So these are also only delivered to Miami-Dade and Broward County right now. So if you're in South Florida, you're winning. You're a winner.
thank you, Juan, for the litification that happened today. I am lit. Litified. It's fantastic.
It's fantastic. This one we've been really looking forward to. Okay, so we have one more.
This is a one in a million type of cocktail.
I need one more after this.